Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experiences using the product service. Today we're diving into the National Bank of Fujairah, or NBF, and specifically their online banking platform accessible at nbf.ae/en/. Let's explore what they offer and see how it stacks up. NBF provides a range of financial services, catering to both individual and corporate clients within the UAE. Navigating to their English language website, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface that seems designed for easy navigation. From personal banking solutions like accounts, loans, and credit cards, to business-focused services including trade finance, treasury management, and commercial banking, NBF aims to be a one-stop shop for financial needs. The website itself boasts a wealth of information, allowing potential customers to research different product offerings and understand the associated terms and conditions. For existing customers, the online portal provides access to account management, fund transfers, bill payments, and other convenient features designed to streamline banking tasks. NBF also highlights their commitment to digital innovation, showcasing features like mobile banking and other fintech solutions. This suggests they are actively working to stay ahead of the curve and provide modern, convenient banking experiences. Furthermore, NBF emphasizes its focus on customer service, highlighting various channels for support such as phone, email, and in-branch assistance. A key aspect they promote is their understanding of the local market and their dedication to providing tailored financial solutions to meet the specific needs of their UAE-based clientele. While the website presents a comprehensive overview of their services, it's always recommended to delve deeper into the specific details and contact NBF directly for personalized advice. Whether you're an individual looking for a new bank account or a business seeking financial management solutions, exploring NBF's offerings could be a worthwhile endeavor. Don't forget to check out the links below for more information.